How to invest in CFD. If you are a trader in any kind of shares or even involved in the stock exchange, understand you must be cautious when choosing a brokerage company, whether it is online or perhaps a local organization. When you're CFD trading, you need to utilize a broker as well. There's a bit of standards or even things to watch for when selecting one. This information will talk about the main ones briefly. You will have to decide if you would like to employ a market maker or perhaps a direct market access company. The actual distinctions in the two are rather detailed, but a short explanation would be that the DMA broker makes their income via commission, whereas the market makers make money by way of make money from the actual spreads. Please take note that market makers do not have to maintain pricing along the underlying market, whereas the actual DMA must. The first step in finding a contracts for difference broker would be to make certain that they are accredited, as this may assure you that they have criteria as well as standards with which they tend to be following. It's also imperative that you choose a regulated broker in the FSA inside the UK. Other countries which trade CFDs ought to check with their regulators. Note that when one is exploring the costs involved with the actual broker, they will be different with respect to the indices as well as shares or even major global or otherwise not. You will want to find what kind of costs you will pay on the CFDs. Such will incorporate costs like the broker's commission costs. Typically the rate is rarely more than 0.5%, also it can be sometimes as small as 0.1%. This rate is billed on the total trading and will typically have a minimum fee required too. CFD trading is actually a leveraged form of trading, therefore when searching for the brokerage firm you will want to observe their margin requirements or rates. Typically these types of deposits are going to be anywhere from 5% upwards to 20% determined by indices. A few other points you should look at before selecting the CFD's broker will be customer service, monthly service costs, charting options, as well as supplementary tools and even such things as financing fees. Numerous brokerage firms may assign every customer an account manager for no additional charges. This may be something the actual newbie might want. We additionally suggest that you try to find honest customer evaluations of the company you're considering to go with. Evaluate many to ensure you are receiving everything you bargained for.